Sa ating mga tagapakinig, dito lang ako sa 1161 AM kilohertz on your radio dial, Action Radio, sa programang Si Kristo Lamang ang Pag-asa. I'm your host tonight, Pastor Myra Julie, and I would like to once again greet everyone from Cathedral of Faith Philippines, from the Rotary Club of Downtown Tacubaya, and all of the Rotary Clubs indeed from District 3790. And I'm just so proud to have a guest with me, a young person, age 15, si Shane Jules Espinosa. Actually, he's the president of the Interact Club of the Downtown Dagupan at the University of Pangasinan. And also, I believe he was just elected to represent all of Area 2, which is all of Pangasinan. That's a big deal, and you are such a young person here in the studio. Yan po ay si Shane Jules Espinosa. Shane, pwede ka ba bumati sa ating mga tagapakinig? Pwede ka bumati sa inyong mga pamilya?
So, good evening po sa ating lahat, and I just wanna take this opportunity to greet my family and to my co-interactors in the Club of Downtown Dagupan.
Wow, asap naman yung mga kaklase nyo dyan sa Yupang, So, Shane, I want to ask you, you mentioned, binati mo sila kanina, your co-interactors. Okay, can you explain to me ano ba yan? I know what it is, but syempre yung ating listeners hindi nila alam. Yung mga kasama mong interactors, ano ba ibig sabihin interactors? I-explain nga sa atin ng tagapakinig.
So, yung interactors po, yun po yung mga persons involved sa Interact Club po namin dito po sa Yupang po, University of Pangasinan.
Okay, so ano yung Interact Club?
So, Interact Club po is under po siya ng Rotary Club, and ito po yung project. Ito po yung mga millennials po to be able to share their thoughts, to be able to serve community po about themselves.
Ayun. So, kaya namin Rotarians kami, pero kami mga young ones, ONCE. Kayo yung young ones, sabi mo, millennials, so kayo yung ONES. Okay. So now you're doing such good works. You have all these things planned out. We said you're going to be doing some tree planting. You're going to be helping the university also do tree planting, sometime in September. Then you'll be participating in the coastal cleanup, international coastal cleanup. Then you guys are going to be helping us out also in the World Polio Day. Tama ba yan? In October 24. So napakaraming projects. What can you say about that? What are your thoughts about that?
Actually, I don't have any idea that I was going to be the president of the aming club. But my classmate just told me po na ako yung president, and then I just go on po, and I have no idea po. But then I do trust God po for all these tasks po para sa akin.
That's right. We trust God. We give Him thanks. He orders your steps through community service. And something hit me. You said you want to serve above yourself. So kindly expand on that a little bit more. Bakit mo talagang nagustuhan itong motto na to?
Just to be part of this club is a sure experience, and I'm beyond blessed and forever grateful for that. So, Paul Harris once told his constituent that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in service of others. So, for me, you must be a good follower or listener in order for you to be a good leader. Good leader then. So, not just don't be a boss.
Don't be a boss. Huwag kang bossing. Tapos, so you need to serve.
Yes.
You can't just pinpoint and tell people what to do. Okay, and then so as you're serving, what inspires you in the service?
So you give yourself, because I give myself rather because I do believe that God is preparing me something bigger than my expectations. Sometimes naguguluhan po ako. Sometimes, bakit ganito, Lord? But when I scroll Twitter, I read this from at MLNLPH. Anything that enemy tells about you is the opposite of what God exactly sees about you. If the enemy keeps telling you you're not worthy, God sees you as worthy. If the enemy keeps telling you, you can't do it, God knows you can. So, struggle is real, and so is God. Anxiety is real, and so is God's presence. Don't lose hope now. The suffering won't last long, and it won't kill you. It will only make you a better person.
That's right. That's right. You know, the struggle is real, but so is God. And I believe the reason why we want to serve is because God is really the one who is steering you, you know, and taking you to that direction. You know, I'm John 3:16, di ba? For God so loved the world. Yeah, can you say it, the whole verse na?
For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, and whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have an everlasting life.
Amen. Amen. God so loved the world. That's everyone in the world. Thank you, Shane. Thank you for spending the time with us tonight. I know that it's not early. It's almost 8:30, and you have school tomorrow. I thank your parents for trusting us that you'll be here with us at Action Radio. At sa aming pong tagapakinig, mga nakikinig all over Pangasinan at all over the world through Facebook Live, thank you so very much. We are encouraged to be with you each and every weekend. At salamat din po sa management again ng Action Radio 1161 AM kHz on